How to change Facebook account in Monopoly Go. In today's video, we will see how can we change the Facebook account in Monopoly Go. So let's get started with the process. First, open your Monopoly Go application. After that, press on the three horizontal lines that you can see on the upper right corner of the screen. Then, you'll be able to see a pop-up screen like this as shown in the video. You'll need to click on Settings option. Then after, you'll be able to see a screen pop up like this. Then click on Connect Account, which will show you three of these options. You have to click on Disconnect in order to add or change the Facebook account. Then a confirmation page will pop up. Click on Disconnect. Then you'll see a Play with Friends option. Click on it and it will show you this message. Click on Confirm, then fill in the details of your new account. In this way, you will be able to change your Facebook account on Monopoly Go. I hope you guys found that helpful. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.